For the first time in 3 months, I am back. You have onwa ato. Ntupuru n'iru ihe ọbụla. Ihuru ihe eserese ọbụla si na m na-eme ihe onyonyo. 3 months is a very long time to go away, you know. As na one ha was safe n'efu. Ya pụtara na ihe anaghị eme na nkịtị. Enwere ihe mere edejiri ebe enwe ka afọ 2025 pụtara ka m siri na afọ anụ na nga ewe ihe gbasara ihe eserese ihe onyonyo ihe gbasara ọmalịcha adị Igbo na m ga-ewe ya na m ga-akpọ ya ihe. I promised I was going to take my content creation serious this year because today nakwa post nakwa etinye ihe onyonyo ndị mmadụ na-ekiri ya na ọnwa nke abụọ ka m ka nọkwa. That was on the 8th of February. The unimaginable happened and it was painful, honestly. It was on the 8th of February in the morning, as early as 9:30 in the morning, 9:20, 9:25. I lost my dad. It was painful. And this is the first time I'm losing someone so close to me. So close to me. Because this is someone it was less than 20 minutes. He died. Okay. Look at the backstory of what happened. He was healthy, he was fine, no sign of sickness, nothing. Although on Wednesday, that was on the, I think 5th of Wednesday before the 8th, because the 8th was on Saturday. I think on Wednesday before he died on Saturday. Or Wednesday was my mom in Arabiroya. My mom says no ya go Wednesday. Bacha yogu Wednesday. So he came back that Wednesday. He told my mom, no go baraya, no furo ifeya, that he's still feeling the pain in his heart, under his inside. So my mom said, also my mom na the doctor recommended that he should go for X-ray. So I got X-ray on. I'll see the doctor. I got the X-ray on Thursday. That was the next day. So Wednesday, got try and go see but Thursday. I got that Thursday. Guy got me X-ray. Come check the X-ray. On a paper one sign. No, omega the issue. But now has I already the result on Friday. My mom say okay. Originally Friday, Ogaba, he drove himself on your room. We are snow no that Friday. So Oroeba ever give it X-ray. So when the X-ray came out, he called my mom. About my mom, so my mom no ya bia about very very X-ray. My mom called Ogaba Kuri about give it the X-ray that Friday. So the doctor was like, they should go to that. He's referring them to that hospital, not Hagaba hospital. My mom said, how come you're going to go with this Gabo no goes? So with the clothes he's just wearing, they're left for another hospital. So they now read the X-ray and commenced treatment immediately. Well, at the time he wasn't breathing fine again. They have to look for oxygen and put him on oxygen. All this was on Friday afternoon, Friday evening, I would say. It was and Saturday morning he was gone. Nothing. Someone that drove himself out on Friday came back on Saturday morning dead. In corpse, in body. So you can imagine the shock. Okay now. I am not telling you of someone that is old. I'm just telling you a very young man. Imagine when I'm the first child. You would imagine age and honor. My younger siblings still in secondary school. When I had it, I did not believe. My mom was crying on the phone. I told her, calm down, maybe he'll still wake up. Maybe I was a lot of maybe. Till I see na Abri Anata that he requested that we should bury him immediately. Like we should not put him in the morgue, that he doesn't want to go there. That there is no need, that his children are still small. Because my mom, it's not here where I know that they are still small, that he doesn't want to put that much expenses on us. We should just bury him.
And I did not believe. I was waiting for my mom to come back with him. I said, this cannot be, it cannot be. But it was actually. Another, and he was buried. For the first time in my life, I felt excruciating pain. It was as if my heart was ripping off. I could not eat. My siblings could not eat. My mom could not eat. It was like a dream. I was like, no problem. He's going to wake up. He's going to wake up. He's going to wake up. Till they buried him. They were lowering him to the grave. I was still expecting that he was going to knock at the coffee and say, open. God. The pain was much. I lost everything. Like, I was not in the mood. You know that when they say you have the muse to do something, the muse was off. I could not on my camera. I could not even stand in front of camera. I could not even look. I could not concentrate. And that was it. Second turned into minutes, minutes into hours, hours into days, days into weeks, and weeks into months. And for the first time in 3 months, today is exactly 3 months, she died, and I am making this video. I know the kind of courage I gathered to make this video. Death is truly painful. Our last child said, "Nebunke mo yiho ponko." Kane weli no ni igbo na atu na asi. Na na be buru onye ozo. Ona be buru ozo onye ozo. Odiko ponko. That's when I said nebunke no yiho ponko. It was human. It was painful. Honestly, I didn't know that. I didn't know that I was going to lose him this much early. I don't know, because a lot of people that know us know that I was damn close to him. I was very, very close to him. Okay, maybe a lot of you don't know my position. Okay, I'm the first child of my dad, and you know how it is with the daughter and their father. I'm not just am I the first child of my dad, my parents. I am his only daughter. So you could imagine how it was for me. I am the only daughter with 5 brothers. So that closeness I had with him, was, I don't even know the way to put it together, but I was close to him. I was close to him, and just like that, it was it. Everything was like, don't worry. I don't have much to say, but thank you for everyone that was there for me. Thank you for everyone that was like on your camera. With time, you get over it. You can't get over death, though, especially the death of a loved one. You can't get over it. People say that time heals. Time doesn't heal, because this is exactly 3 months, and I still feel like it's yesterday. When I see his clothes, his car, his shoes, everything about him, when I see it, I still remember him. There is nothing that would take away the pain. Nothing. The pain is there. The only thing I know is that you will look for a way to deal with it. It doesn't get away. It doesn't. This is just 3 months. Exactly 3 months I am making the video. Today is the 8th of May. He died on the 8th of February. And for the first time, I was able to get up and get my clothes, and well, you would see the video, because immediately came in Charaya. when he was buried, we scheduled the funeral. Ekwaya ma ọ bụrụ ndị Igbo kana ndị Igbo ga-akwarịrị onye nke ha nwụrụ. I kwazie na on 23rd and 24th of April. That was 2 months onwucha. 2 months after his death was his funeral. And I hear Mechagoya. That was on the 24th and 23rd. To the grace of God, everything went successful, and no fights, no quarrel, no anything. I don't have most of the video, like I told you that. Could not even record. I don't have the strength to record anything. But I had some, the preparation and everything. So I am back to my challenge of every day new video will be up on my YouTube channel. And thank you for everybody that was there for me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I really do appreciate, honestly. I appreciate. Maka, I did easy. The calls, the text messages, even though that came, I am hurting you guys. Thank you. Thank you very much. And for now, I'm back. I did it. I did the video.